In this question, you have to choose the option that includes the autoimmune disorders. A. Myasthenia gravis. It is an autoimmune disorder where the immune system produces antibodies that block or destroy the communication between the nerves and the muscles, leading to muscle weakness. B. Rheumatoid arthritis. It is also an autoimmune disease in which the immune system attacks the synovium, that is, the lining of the membranes around the joints, causing inflammation as joint damage. C. Gout. It is not an autoimmune disorder, rather, it is a metabolic disorder caused by deposition of the uric acid crystals in joints. D. Muscular dystrophy. It is also not an autoimmune disorder, but it's a genetic disorder which causes a progressive muscle weakness and degeneration. E. Systemic lupus erythematosus, that is SLE. It is also a chronic autoimmune disease where the immune system attacks healthy tissues in various parts of the body, including the skin, the joints, as well as the internal organs. Thus, A, B, and E are autoimmune disorders. Hence, the correct answer is option D.